Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In case you are new to this channel, I present here raw food recipes that do not require any kind of cooking. No frying, no heating at all, just healthy eating. Today we will discuss an amla fruit dressing. So what is so special about this dressing? Why do we require this dressing at all? It supplements nutrition by having certain useful items rich in vitamin C. It includes a certain healthy fat so that it supplements the diet, and it's a taste enhancer. Even if it is a fruit, you can still enhance the taste and have the fun. The ingredients we will be requiring are very simple. Basically, amla powder, salt, olive oil, honey, and a big, nice, ripe papaya. Make sure that you get a good one. So that's an amla powder that I got it. You will have 1 teaspoon. Sea salt or any other salt which is finely ground, half a teaspoon should be adequate. 2 teaspoons of virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of good nice honey. Just combine all of this and mix them thoroughly. Make sure that there are no lumps of salt or the amla powder. Then get over your papaya. The papaya should be nice and ripe. This is a 2 kg fruit. I have taken half of this, which is 1 kg, and this will be one meal for me. So if you think that how many people are going to eat this, it is just me. If you are going to have only this, then that's a good meal, a good hefty one. Remove all the seeds and peel off the outer skin. Cut them into cubes of any size that is convenient to you. Papaya is a very good fruit that is not only good in terms of its mild sweety taste but also excellent for digestion. I have papaya quite frequently in my diet because I like it, and by making this fruit salad dressing, I also make it more interesting in terms of the variety of taste that I get in this fruit salad. While doing so, I will also get some nutritional benefits. The olive oil will give me some amount of fats, the amla will give the vitamin C, and the honey has several kinds of minerals and vitamins which are so healthy. Look at this papaya. It is so exciting and tempting. Even without dressing, I am pretty sure it's quite tasty, but I am trying to enhance the taste and have a difference. So what I do, the salad dressing that I just made, I pour it over the fruit pieces. There is no need to combine these, mix them with a spoon or anything if you have poured the dressing evenly throughout the fruits. Look at it, it is so enticing. Just love it. And now it is ready and inviting you to have a bite. Have not 1, 2, 10, take 100 of them and have no guilt. Make this at your home, enjoy it. I'm not kidding here, I'm not trying to tease you. But believe me, if you have one full plate of this papaya with the salad dressing that I have recommended, it can easily become one full meal. The one that I had in the morning allowed me to not have a meal until the evening 8 o'clock. That's the amount of energy that this plate gives me. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. and also click on the bell notification so you are notified whenever there is a new recipe that I have posted. Thank you for watching.